Hey guys, welcome back to plumbingpartspro.com. Today we're going to talk about the discontinued Kohler GP500520. This part right here. This is the pressure balance spool that's in virtually every Kohler faucet out there. So Kohler has recently discontinued it and replaced it with the Kohler GP800820. Now that is available now. It looks a little different. I'm going to show it to you here in a second. At first I thought it was completely different and it wasn't going to fit the faucets, but it does. So I'm going to show it to you here, and that's the hard to focus, the Kohler GP800820. I'm going to open it up here. Now here's the old model here, and at first glance the new one's a lot smaller. I'm like, this is not going to work. But after measuring it and sending them close up, they are going to work. This one's got a different type of different looking protrusion that comes up than the last one. And if you look at the dimensions of it, that's the old one, and then there's the new one, same exact size. Like I say, I'm not sure why they changed it. There must have been some sort of issue. Maybe they're coming out with a new model faucet soon that's going to require this. I know Delta did that, where they changed the cartridge on their 1700 series or 1500 series to the 1700 series. So maybe Kohler has something in store for us with their shower faucet models. But if you're alarmed, the 800-820 does replace the 500-520, and I do carry still a generic 500-520, and you can still get that in my store. I'll put a description link down below so you can buy either one of these. If you have any questions, comment down below or email me, info@plumbingpartspro.com. Give us a subscribe and check out the videos coming up. Get a lot of helpful videos on anything plumbing, plumbing repair, plumbing parts, toilet parts, everything plumbing. I thank you guys for watching. You have a good day.